Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Miami. Ooh, see the sun on my face? Yes, actually, it's not really sunny on my face, but it's sunny, okay? Right now I'm doing a 2-in-1 turmeric brightening and exfoliating mask. This is one of my favorites and it's a little guy, so it's great to travel with. It's from Kora Organics. I've mentioned this on my Instagram a few times and on my blog actually. It's great. It's got little pieces in it, you can see. So when I eventually rinse it off, it's gonna take off all like the dead skin that was damaged. Yeah, I'll wash this off and then we're gonna do a travel get ready with me with all the products that I brought on my trip. Some new things I've been testing out and some classics. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I washed off my mask. This is what my skin looks like now. So, after I wash my face, I like to do a toner. Right now I'm using this little tiny Skii toner because it's great to bring on vacation. As we know, I do toner like this. My skin still is a little bit damp from taking the mask off, which is perfect, so that it dries with like water and it really gets absorbed. I honestly just feel like this lets my skin breathe, and I kind of can't do my day without a toner. And I'm crazy, so I'm gonna double up. I'm gonna use this rose one from Herbivore. Rose is hydrating and it's calming. And I'm gonna be in the sun today, so I like to have a lot of hydrating products all in my skin so that I don't get dehydrated, because dehydration causes wrinkles. The eye cream I'm using is this one. All of these things are tiny. From Philosophy. It's nice and light, but still creamy. So I feel like it absorbs, and I didn't bring any powder for setting, so this is a good eye cream that doesn't sit all over your eyes and cause makeup to move. I think I should focus on this eye with eye cream a little bit more, because this eye is just the one that's like, this is my stink eye. Next we're gonna do serums. This is one of the best serums out there. It's the Niacinamide from The Ordinary. To all my friends as like a gateway drug into skincare, because this is really great for balancing your moisture levels, aka not sweating shine through your forehead all day or like anywhere. And it also works the other way, and it hydrates where it's dehydrated skin. So this is just a wonderful product, wonderful. I should mention my cleanser. I've been using this cleanser while we're here, and it's a foaming oil cleanser. And so we all know I double cleanse, but this actually doesn't make me need to double cleanse. I do kind of go 2 rounds, but it's oily and it foams, so it gets rid of makeup, SPF, and then really does get into the pores. Okay, we're not done. I'm still brightening. Saturday Skin. I don't know if you can see that. Little tiny white beads. I don't know if they're brightening me, but I've been enjoying this serum. And my skin's been looking really nice, so I just like to pop that kind of in the center and then out. I kind of have 2 options here for SPF. I have my Avene 40, and then I have these Isle of Paradise, they're called Get Set Glow, and you mix them with your favorite moisturizer and it kind of glows your skin. Otherwise, I use the tinted moisturizer, the tinted SPF from Drunk Elephant, and this is a favorite. But I think for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do this combo. So, let's put some SPF on my hand, like this. And we'll take a few of these drops. Those two together smell really nice. More drops, deeper tan. Do I need more drops? Let's do something else. Sometimes this kind of stuff can get addicting. But I'm wearing a lot of SPF, so I'm not gonna really get a strong tan. While I'm letting that absorb, so that I can put on a little tiny bit of makeup, I'm gonna do my hair. The things I brought for my hair are this Bumble and Bumble UV hair protectant leave-in conditioner invisible oil. Mostly because my way was too big. So I just like spray this in my hair and sort of finger comb it through. That way I just have some UV protection because the sun can be really damaging on hair as well, and I think a lot of people forget that little fact. So there we go. And of course, because it's beach weather, Playa, 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 baby. This is just a wave spray. So what I do with this, and then I kind of scrunch my hair. That way I just have some body for the day. All right, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of vacation makeup. So I like to travel with things that I don't really use on a regular basis or that I wanna get used to. So I have foundation samples. I've been using this Josie Maran Vibrancy Argan Oil Fluid Foundation while I'm here on the days I want to, where I need a little bit of color. They're so cute, and it actually comes with like 6 options. 45 and 50 are my color. I really, really want to love this. So I'm forcing myself to get used to it. As always, I'm using this Benefit one. It's actually almost finished, so I'm looking for a new concealer. Concealer is the main thing when I'm on vacation. So I'm gonna go in a little heavy with it. It's where I have like darkness, so I want more brightness. Usually it's an X. I don't know why it's a T. Use like dense brushes for foundation, so using a beauty blender is new and it's taking some getting used to, but I actually like the finish when I do it right. So I like to add some bronzer, of course. Bronzer is my best friend. I'm using this one from Cover FX. We know it. And the bronzer goes where the sun would hit. So if you need to do some movements to figure that out, do some movements to figure that out. Something to note, that bronzer is not contour. It doesn't go underneath, it goes on top. Like, I don't know if I'm doing a good job at showing that because my bone is weird, but it goes on top of the bone, like on the cheek, not underneath. I'm really excited to share with you all my new eyebrow stitch. I got this combination from Skii. This little brush with a spoolie, which is nice to have. And then otherwise, it's a brow gel. So, how are we gonna use this? Use arch brush to apply color at the base of your brow, trace the tail blend. Okay, I forgot to press record. I put the brow gel on my hand. I put the angled brush on my eyebrow. And honestly, I've just kind of put in where it's empty, where I have some sparse hairs. And now I'm gonna do the spoolie end and we're gonna kind of comb it. to properly disperse the color. I'm gonna help that a little bit with my brow pencil. I wonder sometimes if people put on like blush and stuff with their beauty blender. That could be something to look into. I brought 2 blushes with me. This little baby NARS, mostly because it's a little baby NARS, and it's like a deeper pink. And then I brought my handy dandy Hourglass, which I love all the time. And it's just such a beautiful glow. I kind of couldn't leave the house without it this time. So I'm gonna start with the handy dandy. And like an angled blush brush. And so I'm gonna start with blush all over the cheek like that. But I'm gonna then bring more color onto the high point to extend the boon. So it's blushed. Now I wanna go like this. Because I like to emphasize the high points of my face. Plus it makes me look like more happy. I'm using the Beauty Blender at the top because I thought that the line was a little bit too pink. You could sort of see the divide. But when you do that, you blot it out and it looks more natural. This does have a lot of iridescence and flashback, but I want more highlight. I brought a liquid highlighter with me. This one's from Marc Jacobs. It's a Do You Do drop. This one. Until it's gone. Sometimes I'll do this. Yeah! This is just emphasizing the high point even more. My cheeks are one of my good features, so I like to work on them. To emphasize the lip. It's the Velvet Noir Major Volume. It's got major volume. Watch. Now let's clean up. These kinds of cotton buds are my favorite, with a flat tip and then with a pointed tip, so that you can really clean up everywhere. For lips, I've actually been wearing lipstick here. I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, mostly because Oh Hugh Pretty Things mentioned it, and I haven't been able to put it down since she has. I don't know what it is. A really nice natural pink. I'm actually gonna do this. Every lipstick can pretty much do this too, you know. So, if you want your face to really look like a Luke, you can put your lipstick on your cheeks. Okay, so that's it for my vacation face. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, let me know what you thought. Let me know if you think this is too much makeup. I don't. I'm happy with it. Actually, I forgot one thing. I didn't bring any powder, but I did bring a tiny MAC Fix Spray, which if you use MAC Fix Spray, you don't need that much. That wasn't that much. But now it just kind of holds things in place. So yeah, I think I'm done. This is what I look like.